Today we'll be doing dry cleaning, the bonnet system, not the foam encapsulation or the host method, but the bonnet system of dry cleaning versus truck-mounted steam cleaning. She's adding some Dale steak sauce to the ketchup, and there's going to be some dirt and finally, some paint. Let's keep in mind you can avoid your warranty from Stainmaster Carpet if you do dry cleaning or any system other than steam cleaning. And Shaw Industries, the world's largest carpet manufacturer, also will avoid your warranty if you do not steam clean. This is your typical pre-spray for the bonnet system, and it is not truly dry whatsoever because you are getting it fairly wet.
Daddy, I really love this music. What is it?
It's actually music from the Rockford Files. Pretty hard music to come by, actually.
Oh.
Makes a good soundtrack, doesn't it?
Yes. I said oh.
Good job.
Daddy, where does the dirt go in dry cleaning?
That's a really good question, Angela. Well, the idea is it goes into the padding. However, if there's dog urine or vomit or something pretty bad, it's going to be spreading it throughout the house. Other than the pre-spray, there is no water used. There's no hot water extraction. There's no rinsing, no strong vacuum lift. To a certain degree, it is cleaning, but it's also spreading. And you can actually already see it's already duller than the other side. It's just, it's getting out a lot of stuff, but it's also leaving in a lot, unfortunately, as well. It's really a secondary system, usually used in between cleanings of truck mount steam cleaning or hot water extraction. It's not really considered a primary system.
Steam cleaning is more like taking a shower than dry cleaning, right, Daddy?
You're right, Angela. For the final phase, I'm going to be putting on some paint remover on the steam side and the dry side.
Wow.
Well, this is pretty much the last passes I'll be making with the steam cleaning extraction wand. And we'll be moving on to the last attempt to clean this mess with the dry cleaning bonnet system. And you can decide which one of the two you feel is actually cleaning better.
Does dry cleaning blow, Daddy?
Well, I wouldn't say that. I would say it's inferior. That's it for dry cleaning. I can continue buffing this carpet on the left side for another hour.